Landing pages, squeeze pages, and funnels, oh my. Landing pages, squeeze pages, and funnels, oh my. Landing pages, squeeze funnels, and pages, oh my. That's right. Today we're going to be talking about landing pages, squeeze pages, and funnels. What are they? What's the difference? And which one do you need to use to make the most money with your website? And you know that this is official, and I know what I'm talking about because I got the new shirt. I'm Marcus from affiliatemarketingdude.com, and we're starting right now. Well, hello there, and welcome inside. Today we are going to be talking about landing pages, squeeze pages, and funnels. We're going to talk about the differences, what they are, which one you need to use, and how you can make money online with these three methods starting right now. Now, if you're new to this channel and you want to learn to make money with affiliate marketing, promoting your own products, or anything related to making money online, you're going to want to go ahead and click the subscribe button right now and click the little bell notification icon. That way you get all the new videos and you get the releases when I go live and have live trainings, which you get to learn stuff and ask questions and everything like that. You don't want to miss those. So right now, go ahead and subscribe and click the bell. And what we're going to do is we're going to talk about these landing pages, squeeze pages, and funnels. Now, first and foremost, let's talk about landing pages. What are they? A landing page is quite simply the page that someone lands on. All right, that's all it means. There's nothing special to it. It's just a landing page. So if you're taking people from Instagram, or you're taking people from paid traffic, or you're doing banner traffic, or you're sending an email or whatever, the landing page is quite simply the page you send them to. So, in order to get all the confusion out of the way, a squeeze page could be a landing page, right? It'd be a landing page which is designed to get people to opt in. A funnel, a page on your funnel, could be the landing page. The landing page is usually the first interaction that you have with your audience, okay? Now, you can use this landing page in many different ways. For example, I have made millions of dollars with simple 1 to 5 page landing pages or page sites, right? Where I just simply promote affiliate offers. One of my more famous ones was like the lottery website. Now, the lottery website, the whole idea was designed to get people to download a toolbar that showed them all the different lottery numbers. Now, I didn't have to have like a mailing list or anything. I simply promoted the product on the page. You see this a lot with ClickBank, with various CPA affiliate offers, where the advertiser is simply going through, that's you, the advertiser, you would go through, you'd make a landing page. The whole idea of the landing page is to kind of pre-sell whatever the offer is. Okay, very simple. Now, you can also have a landing page, which is like a, hey, put your name and email in the box and you're going to get XYZ. This would be considered a squeeze page. Now, again, remember, landing page and squeeze page are the same thing. A squeeze page can be a landing page, right? It's the same thing. And a landing page could be a squeeze page, same thing. The idea of a squeeze page is to squeeze your traffic and get the people that are really interested to put their name and email in the box. Okay, really cool. Now, some other examples of a squeeze page could be maybe asking for more information, maybe free shipping address or something like that. But basically what you're doing with your squeeze page is you are getting people to fill out the form and generate a lead. Okay, very simple. So that's what a squeeze page is. You are trying to squeeze all the visitors that will put their name and email for more information. And obviously the idea is to get as many people on your mailing list as possible, because then you can follow up market with them and make a lot of money. I've done this in some markets where I've generated as many as 500,000 people on my mailing list in about 90 days. Now, I did that with paid traffic, but it was actually kind of cheap because of the fact that I was buying traffic for about 2 cents a click, which is really cool. Okay, so you can do this really easy. All you have to do is funnel them over. Right now, we're running ads on Instagram and sending them to lead pages and making all kinds of money. We're doing pay-per-click ads, Facebook ads, all kinds of stuff to our squeeze pages, because once we get this mailing list, then I can email these people and make a lot of money. Now, let's go on to a funnel. Now, really cool, a funnel, the idea of a funnel is, we'll try to draw a funnel here. This is our funnel, right? It's like a tornado funnel kind of thing, okay? And the funnel is designed to get all the people up here, all right? This is all your traffic, okay? And it's designed to get people to funnel through your marketing system. So let's say that your end goal is, hey, I want to sell this thing that's like $1,200 or whatever, okay? That's your end goal. So what you would do in your funnel is you'd have stages, okay? So it'd be like stages. Like here, you could just have a landing page. Here, you could just have a squeeze page. But your funnel is like the whole process, okay? So you go up here and you're like, we're going to get all these people. This is our traffic. They're going to come in at the top of the funnel. You're going to have people put their name and email in the box. They're going to be your lead, okay? Then you're going to take people from that and maybe go and sell them something cheap or give them something free, like, hey, get my free book and it's only $5 shipping or whatever, okay? Then you take the people that get the free book. Obviously, you get a bunch of people that are going to be on your mailing list. Then you get a little bit less people who are going to take you up on the book offer. Then after they get the book, you could say, well, you know, would you like this for $50? Okay, and then you're like, boom, here you go, $50. Now, a lot of people will take you up on the $50 offer, and then of course they're going to consume the content, and then hopefully later buy your product that's like $1,200. Okay, that would be like a funnel. A funnel is more of a sales process and an integrated way to graduate people through the things that they're buying. For example, I could get people to come into my offer and say, hey, check this out. Put your name and email, okay? And you're gonna get XYZ, okay? Really cool. So, like right now, you could go to affiliatemarketingdude.com. You could put your name and email in the box, and you can get my free internet marketing affiliate toolbar. It's really cool. 5,000 people a month are actively using it, so it's really cool, right? They're gonna put their name and email in there. Then I'm gonna say, hey, by the way, if you like this toolbar, why don't you buy this thing, okay? And the thing could be, you know, $47 or $297 or whatever, okay? And then, of course, the goal is to say, well, if you like that, we're also going to give you a site. Do you want us to build your site for you? That's, you know, $1,200 or whatever, okay? Hopefully that makes sense, but that's the idea of how this stuff works. So a landing page can be anything, right? It's just the page they land on. So the landing page for Google is google.com. You go to Google, that's their landing page. They have a search box because they want you to search. Landing page for YouTube. You go to YouTube, they got the videos on the page. That's their landing page, okay? Landing page for my site, you could go to affiliatemarketingdude.com. You could see the landing page. Now, my landing page, I want people to put their name and email in, so I have a squeeze page as a landing page, okay? I also have an entire funnel on the back end designed to get customers to buy different things as they go along in the buying process. So I want you to remember that all these three things are kind of the same. They're all examples of landing pages. They're all examples of squeeze pages. And if you build them correctly, they can be a marketing funnel for you. Now, marketing funnels are extremely powerful when it comes to taking visitors from just cold traffic, like pay-per-click traffic or video traffic or something like that, and getting them into your list and making lots of money and graduating them and learning what they want and bringing them into different levels of your paid products, paid services, and everything like that. Right now we're testing this on one of my addiction websites where we talk about alcohol addiction, and we want to get them to opt in, then we want them to get join a monthly thing, and then of course we want them to graduate through like personal coaching and things like that. And you see it everywhere, and they're used everywhere. So don't let this stuff confuse you. It's actually quite simple. Again, remember, landing page, quite simply, the page they land on. That's the page you want them to go to. Boom, there you go. Squeeze page can also be a landing page. It's designed at getting the name and email. A funnel, same kind of thing. You're just driving them down and trying to sell more stuff. So the funnel is like the process, right? This stuff is just, boom, here's your page. And you can use all kinds of these things. You can use variations of them. You got to find out what works for your market. And again, if you like this stuff, hit the subscribe button, click the little bell notification icon, then go over and check out affiliatemarketingdude.com, pick up my free toolbar, and let's have fun making money online together. If you like this video, post a comment in the box below, and I always look forward to hearing what you got to say. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.